Thank you for choosing Hays for your fertilizer equipment needs. In this video, we'll show the basic maintenance and operations of using your Hays 24-ton tender. Before heading to the field, it's important to perform a quick inspection. Start by checking the tires and lights, then make sure the auger is fully lowered into the H saddle for transport. Grease the axle and brake fittings under the trailer frame, as well as the grease fitting points located on the back of the control panel. Check fuel, engine oil, and hydraulic oil levels to be sure they are ready for operation. It may sound simple, but low fuel is one of the most common reasons the tender won't crank. If fuel gets below a certain level, a sensor will not allow the engine to crank. Your daily checklist in the tender manual is the best guide for keeping your tender safe and operational. And all new Hays tenders come equipped with hinged stainless steel engine covers to make daily maintenance even easier. If you would like to upgrade to this engine cover option, give our parts department a call. When choosing a location to park in the field, select an open, hard surfaced area that is free from power lines, low-hanging limbs, and irrigation pivots. For safety, we place the tarp handle on the nose of the tender, avoiding the direction of the auger. Before operating your tender, unlatch the tarp handle, extend it outward, and roll the tarp back at least 1 foot to allow proper airflow. This ensures your material flows smoothly during unloading. Start the engine, open the start box and turn the key to the right until the engine starts. After about 10 seconds, the engine will automatically increase from 990 to 1800 RPMs. Switch on the discharge auger and belly auger using the labeled levers. Then adjust engine speed with the rabbit and turtle buttons as needed. For best performance, the tender should operate at around 2600 RPMs. Once the engine is at operating speed, raise the auger high enough for the applicator to pass underneath. Then lower the spout closer to the hopper for unloading. Slowly open the main door lever to prevent overloading the auger and engine. Once you've unloaded the desired amount, close the door while the augers are still running. Then allow a few moments for the augers to clear the remaining material. Shut down the belly auger first, followed by the discharge auger. Use the vibrator lever to help clear the hopper completely. Then repeat the same process for the rear hopper. Every Hays 24-ton tender also comes equipped with clean-out doors for bottom unloading and thorough cleaning when needed. After unloading, lower the auger back into the H saddle for safe travel. Idle the engine down with the turtle button and allow it to run at idle for at least 30 seconds to cool the turbocharger. Then turn the key to the left to shut the engine off. Be sure to latch the start box. Secure the tarp handle and perform one final walk around safety check. The landing gear handle is located on the passenger side, giving the driver another opportunity to inspect the tender before transport. Thank you for choosing Hays-LTI. We appreciate your friendship and your business. If you have any questions about 24-ton Hays tender, please call the office at 229-336-7103. We're proud to be partners in the field.